Hey YouTube, this video is going to show you how to find your tags when you upload a video. Tags are very important. Another word for tags is keywords. YouTube and Google use tags and keywords to help people search better for your video. So it's very important you get your tags right. So we're going to open YouTube. What you want to do is search for like videos. So let's say that we want to know how to disable a Windows login. Disable Windows 10 login, and we're met with these results, but we want to make sure we get the best videos, so we're going to filter and we're going to hit view count. Okay, so now we have one that has 2.5 million views, 2.2, 1.7, 1.2, and so forth. We want to take the keywords from probably the top 2 to 5 videos, depending on how many keywords we get, and we want to copy them. And to find the keywords, we click on the video.
What's a super easy way to
hit pause, and then we right click any place on a white area of our screen. Right click the mouse and click on view page source. Of course this is for Chrome, but you can also view the page source in Opera, Firefox, Safari, all of them. Now that you're on the page source, you want to hit the control key, which is the bottom key on your keyboard on the left, and the initials are CTRL. You want to hold that down while you click on F. That will bring up our seek, and we will type in keywords and all these words right here, and you just want to type the words within the brackets and the apostrophes. So you would use Windows Spine, Security, Microsoft, and you go all the way down and keep looking until you see Channel ID. Once you see Channel ID, the keywords are done. So these are all the keywords. And like I said, you want to do that with probably 3 or 4 videos, and then use those tags to get better searches. I hope this helps someone. If it does, please hit like and subscribe. I try to keep my videos under 3 minutes, and have a great day.